So now I'll be explaining you how you can integrate Python libraries in Mojo. You know, so for that, this is the fifth lecture on it, and for that you need to do is create a file, okay, with a Mojo extension. Okay, I'm going to create dot Mojo, and here let's put them side by side, and now create now from Python import Python and now create function name and okay. In Mojo you can create these exceptions also, try and accept like this, try and then variable or import. So this is the way how you can import any library now of Python inside Mojo, Python lib into Mojo. Okay, I'm creating it now the table Python dot import module and module name, okay, and them in accept if there is any error, and from here running, okay, and if you run it you'll able to import the numpy on your system. I hope you liked it. See you next